Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. It's the 13th of December. So touching on today's market news, there was no major ones apart from the US dollar, just the core retail sales. I don't believe it had too much of an effect, but the main story was from Thursday with the election. Just wanted to see how it settled. So the Asian session took it very well, just retraced backwards. So if we look at GBP USD, we can see that we've basically retraced all the way back down to our daily level, 1.3312. Unfortunately, we missed this trade here, that huge push to the upside. So in the end, it locked in with 330 pips, which is amazing. So congratulations if you did catch that. But nonetheless, it's not to worry. These sort of opportunities do come in once in a blue moon, but you can still get the same result, just may take you a bit longer to get. So nonetheless, moving on to Euro USD, we can see that when it shows up, sorry about that. So when the we had that push to the upside, and we said from early on the 10th that if we had that push to the upside, we could have if you held that, we had a chance to visit two of our weekly levels, and it firmly rejected the second one, so at 1.1178. Eventually it pushed down, so we had that retrace of that on the final day of Friday. So we'll see what happens, and we'll go look a bit deeper into that on the weekly analysis on each pair. Moving on to USD JPY, we can see that we've pulled back now, and we're nicely sat on top of our reversal zone. So all forward for this reversal zone for next week. We'll see how it plays out. And finally for gold, we can see that we've rejected that space from the blue area all the way back down into the red, tapped into liquidity here. So I do reckon we're still pushing on for some higher moves here. So I do believe we could be reaching like this for next week. But obviously we'll show you in much more detail for each of the specific weekly analysis videos. So that will be on Sunday, so make sure you're there for that. But that'll be all for us today. If you are enjoying these videos and they are helping you now, they should be able to grasp how this method works. But if you still want to follow alongside, by all means subscribe to the YouTube channel for obviously all of that future analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.